now on our way. See you. Bye.
Para may statwa dun, Father.
Oh,
Divine Mercy.
that belongs to ipaglaban mo. Attorney season.
Chomary season.
Oh, yun. He has a swimming pool there. He has a big retreat house. And he's selling it, I think, for 100 million.
Statue.
Kaya baka gusto bilhin ng presensya. Kaya, nasa taas yan.
May 3, Father, 3 rooms.
May road na, may road from here papunta doon.
Uy, katuwiran.
Siya nagpagawa. Pero maganda lugar.
Ay, paglalaban